Happy Sunday! We're here today at our nursery. We planted new sets of arugula. And look at our lemon! It's starting to grow. Yeah, the past few days has been a struggle because ulan ang ulan. So, natatakot kami dun sa mga parts na outside of our nursery. Baka malunod na. And there was a day na nilipat namin yung arugula namin na big enough to the wild. Then after 1 hour, biglang umulan. Luckily, most of them survived. There's 2 of them na struggle. But yun. So yesterday, nakakain na kami ng arugula. Yay! With basil and diba yun? Kamote leaves. Favorite ng mga tao dito sa bahay yung kamote leaves. Tastes like spinach or anything that you do with kangkong, pwede rin yung kamote leaves.
In 3 weeks, our arugula are very healthy and crowded, so we're thinking of moving them out na.
About 2.5 months, ito na yung compost namin. This is the first time we're using it. It's not fully powderized yet, but pwede naman na siyang gamitin. And we'll put it together with the arugula. The new seeds to plant today, we ordered them from the Shopee 88CL. So, una is corn. Lettuce because maraming lettuce natin hindi nabuhay. Parsley. Cucumber and eggplant. Lettuce, parsley, eggplant, cucumber, lettuce, and parsley. And tagabantay. Nilipat na namin today yung mga lemons. So, nandito na sila sa labas ng bahay kasi wala nang space sa loob. These are now the plants that we planted 2 weeks ago. So, parsley. Dami tayong parsley. Ito na yung cucumber natin. Unfortunately, wala pang tumutubo sa eggplant and sa lettuce. Cannot transplant this now since they're outgrowing their space now here. This is our corn now after 2 weeks. It's also time for moving them to the bigger lot. After 2 months, ito na yung bed natin. So we have the kamote, una nating tinat, tsaka yung turnip, arugula on the second row. Pero makikita nyo parang hindi sila masyadong healthy. Although kumukuha na rin kami dyan.
Medyo dry yung soil dito, tsaka mainit.
Yeah, and na-trauma tong batch na to because we keep on transferring them from one place to another. In the third row, these are also arugula. You see how healthy they are. Naunahan na nga nila yung
Natuto
iba
na
dito.
kami dyan when we transplanted that.
Yes. Then there's a few lettuce here.
Malnourished din sila konti. Kasi medyo traumatized.
Some of our peppers are here and they're starting to have flowers. So, pakita
Lapit
namin
tayo.
sila. And then, yung last row kakalipat lang natin now is cucumber.
Baby cucumber.
These are the pepper plants with some flowers now. So we're just waiting for them to bear fruits.
First few pepper plant natin na nagtumubo. Sila yung kuya. And look, meron ng small pepper fruit. I hope it will grow bigger and then meron pang mga flowers. So hopefully they produce more peppers para makakain na rin tayo ng pepper from our plant.
The sad story of our tomatoes, 3-4 weeks ago the birds started to eat their leaves. So we put them back into nets. But they're struggling to grow now. And this one is growing but you can see something's wrong with the leaves, so it's unhealthy. So hopefully they still grow better.